Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word often used to describe joking in a way that's not serious, facetious. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is facetious. Let's break it down. First we have foo, which sounds like the few in funny. Next is see, which sounds just like the word see. Then comes shoes, which rhymes with gracious. Now let's put it all together. Facetious. Try repeating after me. Facetious. Now a little faster. Facetious. And at full speed. Facetious. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Facetious means joking or being humorous, especially in situations where it might not be appropriate. For example, if someone makes a joke during a serious meeting, they might be called facetious. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce facetious and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.